Cold tar patching is a temporary fix that buys time but rarely lasts as a permanent solution for potholes on busy roads or high-traffic driveways. Cold tar works by filling voids with a ready-to-use mix that bonds without heating, and it is most effective when the hole is clean, dry, and compacted after placement. For best results, remove loose debris with a stiff broom or compressed air, cut straight edges if possible to create a defined patched perimeter, and use a tamper or heavy plate compactor to consolidate the material in layers no thicker than 2 inches. Make sure to overfill slightly because the mix will compact under traffic, and avoid applying cold tar when temperatures are below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or when rain is expected within 24 hours. On low traffic surfaces such as garden paths, service roads, or residential driveways used infrequently, a properly installed cold tar patch can last many months and sometimes longer. For higher traffic pavements, expect accelerated deterioration from studded tires, heavy vehicles, and freeze-thaw cycles because cold tar lacks the cohesive strength of hot mix asphalt. If longevity is the priority, schedule a professional assessment for hot asphalt repair, which involves heating, binder application, and proper compaction for a durable bond. Common problems include poor adhesion due to wet or dirty holes, which you can avoid by thoroughly cleaning and drying the area before applying the product. Another issue is insufficient compaction that leads to rapid sinking or edge failure, fixable by compacting in thin lifts with a plate compactor or manually tamping each layer firmly. A third concern is using cold tar on the wrong surface or under extreme traffic load, and the practical remedy is recognizing limits early and planning for a hot asphalt overlay or full patch replacement when traffic or vehicle weight will exceed the capability of the cold product. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around home repair topics like this, helping people find local professionals and compare approaches. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users share real-world experiences, tips, and recommendations on repair methods and when to call in pros.